We are back with another Lorcana Elsa gift box. We've got 5 booster packs from sets 5 through 8. This also comes with 1 Glimmer Foil Elsa the 5th Spirit promo card. The packs you can get are random. Today we are getting 1 Reign of Jafar, 2 Azurite Seas, and 2 Shimmering Skies. Let's see if we can pull anything good.
Rip those packs, what do you think? Professor Ink! Whoa! Cards, pulls, magic, here we go. What do you think? Professor Ink! Whoa! Cards, pulls, magic, here we go! What do you think? Professor Ink! Whoa! Cards, pulls, magic, here we go!
We should have kept this one sealed. It was still fun to open. We'll see you next time.